75.
Yes, me the Jeff no the nina atoso
right. We share join your Facebook Nhyira 104.5. Mampeni Shenya ye koto. Ene ehyen ahodo bi e de masrafo no ho nsem bibiri aba. We mushen.
Yes.
We mushen no ho nsem bibiri aba na Eugene be break it down amaye.
So ye to helicopters. Helicopters na ye to nyina the back story. Once me catch us say Ghana, we often miss an opportunity to miss an opportunity. You at Rencheme see 6th August. Then run a meet here, Yura in team, Reverend in team for Joe. Asempa. And I can say, on so be blame NDC for at Rencheme see, because NDC in Pefe say, if Air Force using and Yapa Sabe a quarter accident happens. But I hope utie report na microphone de ba me mo shame. Yeah. Inta me am shame ne say plane it me for your defense minister there. Na plane to a yet mean track it. Any modern aviation tools it mean track weather conditions na there because down draft say a country playing ball for me. Oni maybe obeti mesi kumase. But then this had in fact,
committee report me shame.
Exactly.
And even almost 100-hour check or something like that. Yes. They did it.
Yes.
Now, what was the report?
Now, Orefi say, hey, friendly quarter share almost a pilot in experience. Mami, a former chief of Samami Frema. I can't say plane or for that. I'm a Mibumunia issue a crow. Internet, I don't know, sir. I say, yeah, next year, you be and I buy so koto. 1 year koto helicopters and the buono 195 million euros. And then convert to about $145 million. Yeah, to Nubonicano H175 helicopters.
And play and a dash. We are presidential jet on the dash.
Yes, we are presidential jet.
Okay, now helicopter way be near Koto.
Yes, we be near H160. I don't know H1.
Oh, okay. H160.
And
okay.
And only yeah, two way be. Yeah, but to H175 no. And only the other helicopter be we presidential jet.
We are presidential jet.
We are presidential jet.
Jeff, you ever know last night helicopter no show chair.
Yes. And only H175.
Okay.
H175.
Okay. So for helicopter the brain the other one the Udi can show.
And one I kotono. But akokwa born there. Me share website and say born no one and one meet Reverend in team for Jones no so ka say born no so mo check some year committee ni bibia no and one no. In fact the military have gone to France on my presentation ni bibia but o can say e born ni bo 55 million bi bro so that should because helicopters when a military cotton according to Reverend in team for Jones Yura Bruja Jemfino on be ye ade o me betim di to asim. So action movie James Bond movie they don't say discipline to mo to gigi police you know and a military be fetu na bone bo da bi e be fit wo
Jeff baby my helicopter na ya need to side so just
general price no but to pen customizer on say this Jimmy K say customize normal one wo ho it is a vet about my normal one be 15,000 but o pese bia o city ye na style bi man be bia no be 30,000
pese ye car na so wanim kura no
ye be the amount
customizing the camera
yes yeah that's so fair now the two so first and on the presidential jet and a Falcon 6X
okay
and on o share website say funny part 12 to about 15
6X
yes and only into when as I say be for President Mahama any at the end there's the presidential and also one is $60.6 million. Now no Reverend team for the argument on me and say far corner papa ko for toy no kayen ton no na she be so we go the same company na into kayen ton ne akwa me view on it and say me dream say okuje to kasa dodo on some of the issues me nene ya adwen say President Akufo-Addo de be rent the other tank ye ba sa wo kase engine ba ko o play munya de president for de sebe na enya kasa papa intino ya take your opportunity say the koto wiem senso a ya take your opportunity for ko Galamsey because na Galamsey ensinyama nom ko nom de we
on the 6th of August
so what you say ya take your opportunity the procurement that to planes na ya the papa me nyina ngasa ya de bone in fact the minority in parliament didn't even object to it they agreed because some say they Mahama on cherebo
okwa
MPP head on Benya president bi obeba. Se Kennedy was about me baba. We bia no obefo.
Enti de na wo kan customize ase ne be. Na se tuo ne hye enchen na sojafo no wo.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so say ne be.
Yes, pay me brief on say ne be.
Oh, that's
great. So be reconfiguration say plain na na normal. But about presidential say what security features any other.
O number be a bit.
But can be ma me yemo shame. I don't know if I should repeat it on radio. Akokwa to the effect say we share planes where Air Force are. E be anywhere e dignified enough. Inti na Jane Echo Angola no. Who say Jata na de ne ko yes. Who said die?
Say ni nyina nye. Inti na Debbie Jata no de minim se bebre de ko.
O de Jeff nko Professor Jane Facebook page.
I never knew this was the underground situation tie mo fa.
Yes.
Because Zatano there will be at the 2
This is the reckless politicization American. As I'm young criticize it, bedu bebia, nema bia, and yes, the politics bema. You're serious. Into the way MPP afa push away, and this in the future. And President Mahama playing with a bantam be see bit maybe 2 years.
2 years.
Branch. Into you see and say far corner, you can't presidential call France 8 months of repairs. Ne shocks in your juma. Or you leaky. But
I agree with Reverend in Team for Joe say back on I say it me ton na
liquid soap will be near the paper who be man cha yento liquid soap no homra sapo bi near the paper ho no anywhere you be a yentomra na maintaining ye because okude tonso asem kan ni anya reckless politics because plane here to na say 20 years. Why will a private man buy a plane? Manufacturer and I say 20 Ghana and 11 years. Plane a call repairs for 8 months a day. And you plane papa.
They are saying no saying
exactly. It's a book answer. What has been the maintenance culture?
Yeah.
Because that's the flip side. Because I go okay scanning almost $225 million. Yeah, Kotoma so
yeah.
Zina it's for man a beka check a president mama kofo.
Yeah.
Sabe okofu bi anke bi na ye kasem foforo. Kebian Kaneke Kasan it's ye kotoa the proper equipment the Air Force will need to keep and maintain the planes and
have they really complained that omuni equipment omu maintain because the Americans are same way say when that particular incident crash ne buy no committee na yate omu ye nhwehwemu ne report ne buy no oma antro bibia se bia technical checks no they weren't having something to survey other areas of the plane a regular checks which the committee saw say are necessary but plane no ni normal way.
Yes.
And so my concern is that those engineers no omo wo ho no omo timi declare say plane here fit it me too as of that time no munim say sa normal way nyina no en function yie no. What do we do to these people? Do they need proper training or an answer? Because yes, according to
Reverend Team for Johnny President Mahama, October 2024, NDC MPP and Kushia military no, baby. I'm giving you a security information.
Sure.
Omi presentation ni no, omu say omu military ni in fact, akokwa unim say Burkina Faso Traore, the Niama be bro crema in the military in Ghana. And it is a Ghana armed force that escorted to the border for Burkina to cross. Sure. And you be meet me account. But what I can confidently tell you is Zina na 2 years. And one MPP, high ranking official use here in 8 years. Educhum, wakana publicly, Nyamenkwa, Northern region, Katurenchem tone. Zina ya. It's a choice a ream shannon and nenye. And yes, expertise in the lake. Because I cocoa, play no dear. Say weather systems in Ima. Engineer need to be for being shim.
Right.
The plane need to be detected topographical areas. Plane need to be for being shim. And engineer the plane in any advance. As a me phone. Maybe you should Google Pixel 9 Pro. Never to me, I know. Google Pixel 6 ain't me yet. What I say, I can't pick the software in the 9 Pro and put it in the 6 Pro. It won't happen. So it's not as if I'm a bad operator of the phone. It's just that the phone is not advanced enough to do what I want to do with the phone. I quite as
yeah.
So yeah mom de yeah the mom we ni who say mistake bi abada then we blame them. Abata say nti anya ne sa na me dwen say ebeboa na again no ye kotoyi papa of mama face one so kai ba scandal no OSP na be clear no so mako hwi mo ye bi enim u kotoyi paper no so abra malodi na hwemu ma emo mama lodi obehwem aboa wo
na
minim Ghana for ni procurement
no ahwehwem ye
ye be kotoba yes bo to bi na the scandal abra
ye mpe middleman sembia
company na e wo ho
direct we create the matter almost delete directly
yes,
with the company.
In fact, Reverend for your confirmation so France.
Okay.
Ako companies only bibia. I'm surprised by the approach of the minority.
Yeah.
But
they
also,
are part of the community.
Also, collaborate with them.
We are concerned because
acting defense minister area to force finchim.
Yeah.
Yempe medoma bia obi mo betma supply plane company ni enko ton ho direct.
Yeah.
Yenye manwa. Be chechem che Ghana for say ni eto no balance ka ye ni plane no ni duration ni ya wie. Enya ha ana mudi be pesca. Enya ha ana obi di kobo ne dan so. Enya ha ana obi be to ka ma ne side check.
Yeah.
Yenya ne fenchem. You akokwa senya toro nchem we na aba. Ye mu bi keska we nke be scrutinize ke be chechirem school se betimi asi hospital se betimi asi. Ba kire yen say there's a crisis. And we need to fix that crisis.
Yeah.
And in fixing that crisis, let's not profiteer.
Me the adibi ma Jeff. And so now me pese point 2 no.
Yes.
You see the operations of the aircraft are dey by nyina no ehun here. And we are giving about 4 to the military, right? Mewa.
Yes.
Apart from the presidential jet na Vanzema and Benin be use. The second point, Eugene pese wa kan.
Yes. Or say lack of weather information. There was no formal weather update or flight route information provided to the pilot before departure.
So and you know there are 18 nana make say omo system ni mu a ye manage plane ni nyina no problem kakra wo ho because pilot no kure betu no information e necessary say wanya. And these are the same technical officers who are going to.
And in fact, help. Point 2 no link to the point 3. No, okay, point 3. Or say the crash was caused by a sudden loss of altitude and lift due to a downdraft, consistent with changing environmental conditions over high and rugged terrain. It onim until he was flying blind.
Oko as a different year with them no oko. Yaman information. And to say yebenya sankrofo na ese betra ho with this negligence. Me I call it negligence. Because unimu adwuma. This is what you are supposed to provide for the pilot. Now you didn't do it. Me those people over there, we should get different people, experts training to handle the new ones that are coming.
Document because serious.
That is what I'm saying.
Because aircraft limitation, or see, though the helicopter was airworthy, and had passed 100-hour check, it lacked critical avionics safety system. One can say avionics safety. One, terrain awareness and warning systems. Oh, kobo bibi ma plane into me warning. That is all the one in air. Advanced ground proximity warning systems. Advanced navigation of terrain.
Facebook bear report now we are. It may say from the scratch maintenance section they have questions to answer. And I say yes, we will still be seeing plane the old one could be 8 months a year pay presidential jet there could be a reason. It's
poor maintenance
culture, and even some directives are papa like these ones are also. It's a problem we are in see and
yeah,
but it's going on for years. You know, your best new ones by there.
Yeah,
the culture should be different. Yeah. Now, yatun inyamakania buomu afie yebesimu. It's a 9.8
I have information be my phone. You see, in our country, no, ya so maybe suama obi